The Red Tea Detox is a brand new cleaning program that purifies the body as well as drops pounds swiftly and securely. It permits practically anyone to shed 14 pounds in just 2 weeks. Based upon greater than a decade of research extending over 500 medical research studies along with virtually 3 years of real-world screening, this program has the outcomes and the scientific research to back it up. Liz Swann Miller, the maker of the Red Tea Detox, is a 6-time very successful author with over 10 years of experience as an exercising naturopath, ND. She discovered the unique recipe for this invigorating tea, the foundation of the program, during her journeys deep into the heart of Africa. As well as the ideals of all, the components are so usual they can be found in basically any shop. Reproduced right here for the very first time in the Western globe, the Red Tea Detox passes on the dish for this unbelievable tea through a completely electronic product, making it offered to customers instantly. This detailed book is broken down right into 3 different areas. Diet plan. This part of the Red Tea Detox describes the significance of purifying the body before weight loss efforts, why toxins can hold your metabolic rate back, and the overall benefits of the Red Tea wash system for both the mind and body. Exactly what's more, it details in information which energy-rich foods could help you shed fat faster compared to ever. Self-control, motivation, and mindset. This 3rd section delves right into several of one of the most typical misconceptions regarding willpower and just how genuinely recognizing the underlying realities of motivation could change your weight loss and your life. It's an essential part of this program and, for several, has aided them reduce weight quickly and maintain it off completely. These 3 components combined produce among one of the most detailed as well as simple detoxing programs to this day. People all over the globe are currently using it to drop weight promptly and easily while living a much healthier and better life in the process. Exercise. The workout section is developed to complement the diet plan section of the Red Tea Detox. It contains a range of supercharged exercises that will assist all body fat even quicker. Coupled with a metabolism-boosting diet, these quick and reliable routines have the possible to nearly increase the weight loss results.